Did you know that this AI tool could save you hours every week? Imagine cutting your design time in half without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a content creator, a game developer, or just someone looking to level up your visual content, stick around because today, I'm breaking down a game changer, Flux AI. Let's dive in. If you're tired of spending endless hours creating visuals or struggling with complex design software, this might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Today, we're taking a closer look at how Flux AI can supercharge your creativity and why it could be your next secret weapon. But stay with me till the end because there's one feature that truly sets it apart. I'll reveal it soon. Now, let's be real. Creating high-quality visual content isn't always easy. You've got tools that are too complicated, too slow, or just don't deliver the quality you need. And for marketers, game developers, or artists, time is money. So, what if I told you there's a way to turn your ideas into stunning visuals in a fraction of the time? Meet Flux AI, the AI-powered tool that's redefining how visuals are created. It's a tool that takes your text or image input and turns it into professional-grade visuals and videos, without the need for extensive design skills. Whether you're crafting animations, custom styles, or even AI-generated anime art, Flux AI's got you covered. And the best part? It's lightning fast, using a hybrid architecture of transformer and diffusion techniques for real-time rendering. You know those long wait times with other tools? Yeah, Flux AI has found a way around that. Let's break down what makes this tool so special. First up, image and video generation. With just a few clicks, you can transform text or images into eye-catching visuals or even full-blown animations. Imagine this. You're working on a social media campaign and you need a high-quality promo video. Flux AI can whip it up in no time. Then there's customizable styles. Whether you want sleek, modern visuals or a retro vibe, Flux AI offers a range of styles to match your creative vision. And if you're into anime, you'll love the AI Anime Generator, perfect for generating unique anime style art. One of my personal favorites is the image-to-video conversion. Turn any static image into a video with realistic motion. Imagine if you could animate your still photos with just a few clicks. How would that change your workflow? Let me know in the comments. So, how can you use Flux AI in real life? Let's start with social media, the holy grail of content creation. Businesses can create engaging posts that catch the eye, making it easier to attract followers and boost engagement. And if you're a game developer, Flux AI can help you design characters and environments faster than ever, helping you bring your game world to life. For marketers, it's a no-brainer. Need visuals for your next campaign? Use Flux AI to generate mockups and concepts instantly. It's like having a creative team at your fingertips. And the best part? You don't need to be a design pro to get pro-level results. Now, let's see how this tool stacks up against its competitors, like MidJourney. While MidJourney is great, Flux AI offers real-time rendering, which means you get your results much faster. Plus, with advanced features like the image generator for fine-tuning, it's perfect for those who need both speed and precision. Alright, time for the feature I've been teasing. Flux AI's image generator is a game changer. It uses low-rank adaptation to fine-tune models, giving you the ability to enhance your designs with lower computational costs. It's a huge win if you want quality without the wait time. Now, tell me, who wouldn't want that kind of power? Flux AI is more than just an AI tool. It's a time saver, a creativity booster, and a game changer for anyone working in visual content. It's designed to make high-quality design accessible, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. And in a fast-paced world, that kind of edge can make all the difference. If this review helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. And if you're ready to take your design game to the next level, click the link in the description to try out Flux AI today. Trust me, you won't want to miss what this tool can do. Until next time, stay creative.